Hello guys, another video is starting here on the channel. Today I will teach the choreography of the song FootLoose. The choreography in the song is posted on the channel and the link is in the video description. Sign up for more line country dance tutorials. Leave your like and share it with your friends. Let's start by doing the traditional step to the right, then to the left. Kick with the right leg, turn, kick with the left leg. Then hit the left foot with the right hand. Jump twice with your right foot backwards, then twice with your left foot backwards. Kick with your right leg and hit your left foot twice with your right hand and hit a palm. Traditional step to the right and turn around. Repeat the traditional step to the right and turn forward. Take 2 steps backwards starting with your right leg, then 2 steps with your right foot backwards, 1 step with your right leg forward and turn around. Step with your right foot backwards, tap with your right hand on your left knee, step with your right foot backwards. Then he kicks with his right foot, he turns. He kicks with his left foot, he kicks with his right foot, then he kicks his left foot with his right hand, he kicks with his right hand on his right foot, left hand on his left foot, and again right on the right foot, and turns. Step with your right foot backwards, put your head on your left knee, step with your right foot backwards, touching your toes on the floor, then your heel, then cross your right foot in front, jump and turn with your right leg crossed in front. Step twice with your left foot in front, then step twice with your right foot in front. He taps his right hand on his left foot, turns, places the hat under his left knee and puts the hat on his head. Step with your right leg to the side and the hat too. Step with your left leg to the side and the head too. Put the head on your head. Take 2 steps backwards starting with your right leg. Take 2 jumps with your right leg backwards. He steps with his right leg forward and turns on his back and kicks 4 times starting with his right leg. Repeat everything again. Right, then left, put the hat on, 2 steps back, 2 jump with the right leg, step with the right foot backward and turn. Give 4 kicks starting with the right leg. And the choreography is over. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Sorry for my bad English, I am learning. Kisses and see you in the next video.